Welcome guys. If you wanna use the iPhone keyboard on your Realme 5 Pro, let's go to the Play Store. There we have to type on the search iPhone keyboard, and download the keyboard for iPhone iOS 13 keyboard. Tap on the install and just wait a little bit. Okay, right now tap on the open, click on the allow 3 times, and we have to click to skip 2 times. Tap on the start. We will close this ad in the 3, 2, 1, and right now tap on the enable. Turn on with this marker your iPhone 11 keyboard. Tap on the done, then click on the switch iPhone 11 keyboard. And right now when we are going to the messages, you will see that our keyboard has changed to the iPhone keyboard, and even we got here the emoji, and we can also change the theme. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.